Further, to calculate the acceleration error constant, so ESS, we know that ESS is equal to 1 by Ka, and this acceleration error constant is limit of S square into G of S. Again, see the difference, यहाँ पर S है, there is no S here in the positional error constant. Kp is a limit of G of S, Kv is S into G of S, यहाँ पर S square आएगा. So take that S square, G of S, I am substituting for type 1 system, ये G of S है. Now apply the limit. Before applying आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे S square है, यहाँ पे S है, one power will get cancelled with the denominator S, एक S remaining हो जाएगा. So what is remaining here now? It is S into K. यहाँ पर you'll be left with, applying the S limit as 0, you'll get 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 everywhere, the factors. So S into K, put S tending to 0. So limit, applying the limit as S tends to 0, you will get Ka as 0. So what will be your error, steady state error due to this acceleration error constant? It is 1 by Ka or 1 by 0, which is infinity. So in case of acceleration error constant, we got it infinity. Similarly, what we will do, we will again repeat everything, finding the steady state error for type 2 system this time. Type 0 हो गया, type 1 हो गया. Now I'll go for type 2 system. Type 2 means power आपका 2 होना चाहिए. So what will be your transfer function? G of S. The change is only here. S raised to 2. Type 0 के लिए S raised to 0 था. Type 1 के लिए S raised to 1 है. And type 2 के लिए it will be S square. Now trying to calculate the error constant, ESS is equal to 1 by 1 plus Kp, or Kp is a limit of G of S. Applying this G of S, substituting G of S value for type 2, यहाँ पर S square होगा. Apply the limit, you will get all these zeros, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. So you will be left with K by S square. So again apply S tends to 0. So K by 0 will be infinity. So आपका value Kp error constant infinity होगा. So what will be your error? Error will be 1 by 1 plus Kp or 1 by 1 plus infinity, which is equal to 0. Similarly, velocity error constant, we know that it is ESS is equal to 1 by Kv, or and Kv, the velocity error constant is limit of S into GS. यहाँ पर S नहीं है, S raised to 0 होगा, यहाँ पर S raised to 1 है velocity के लिए. Limit of, apply this, take S as it is and apply the substitute G of S. So one S will get cancelled with this S square power, you will be left with K by S. यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर में K है, यहाँ पे एक S बच जाएगा. K by S into these all 1 1 1s. K by S, put S as 0, K by 0 infinity. So Kv you will get infinity. Then what will be the error? Error will be 1 by Kv or 1 by infinity, which is equal to 0. And going for the third one, third error due to the acceleration error constant, ESS is equal to 1 by Ka, and Ka is S square into G of S. यहाँ पर S है, यहाँ पर S square होगा. Limit of S square as it is, put G of S. This is your G of S, and both S square gets cancelled. सिर्फ K रहेगा यहाँ पे, and all these values, put S tends to 0. Apply the limits, you will get 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. So only K you will get. Ka will be equal to K. Then what will be the error? Error will be equal to 1 by Ka or 1 by K. अगर आप again practically speaking K का value लेते हो, gain है 1 by some limited value, you will get one finite value itself. Okay, so what we have done here for type 0, type 1 and type 2, three different systems के लिए, type 0 है, type 1, type 2, we have found what is the error value. Error value due to Kp, Kv and Ka. Let me just summarize what all these three different types of system errors we have found like this. For type 0 के लिए हमने calculate किया है Kp, this is equal to some finite value you will get, okay, finite. Infinity, infinity. See, unit step in the sense we get it for positional error constant. Unit ramp means we take it for velocity error constant. Parabolic, it is acceleration error constant. So type of the inputs applied, steady state error value ESS for type 0, type 1, type 2 system. तो अब तक जो भी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, this table will summarize everything. Type 1 system के लिए due to the positional error constant आपका वैल्यू 0 होगा. It is 1 by kV in the sense finite value. Infinity. Type 2, just now what we have calculated, you can see type 2 system के लिए, type 2 के लिए positional error constant 0 आया है हमारा. First value is 0, second value is 0, 0, 0, finite value 0, 0, 1 by k means finite value. Okay, this is the summary. And for calculation of Kp, Kv and Ka, we have used these formulae. Kp के लिए सिर्फ g of s है, Kv के लिए s into g of s, Ka फाइंड करने के लिए आप s square into g of s यूज किए हैं. Okay, this table is important. At a glance, you will understand this by using this table. What to do? Okay, we have found the error, steady state error, ESS. Now, the error constants Kp, Kv, and Ka, what they actually are. Why you are going to calculate these? We have found these values, right? For calculating the error, हमने calculate किया है Kp, Kv, Ka. You can see here. एक example दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको for type 2. You can see हमने Ka calculate किया है. We have got some finite value. यहाँ पर भी हमने Kv calculate किया है. We got infinite. Here also we have got Kp, which is infinite. So we have calculated these error constants to find the steady state error. So why you go for this? Why you want? What is the significance of these error constants? So these values, they describe the ability of the system to reduce or eliminate the errors. The system, whether it can eliminate the errors or not, that capability is described by the error constants. जैसे जैसे आपका type of the system increase होगा, type 0, type 1, type 2, higher order, higher आप जैसे जाओगे, progressively the more steady state errors are eliminated. So type 0 से type 1 अगर आप compare किए तो type 1 में आप ज्यादा errors eliminate कर सकते हो. Similarly, compared to type 1 with type 2, you can eliminate more errors in type 2 rather than in type 1. So जैसे जैसे आपका type value increase होगा, उतना ही chances ज्यादा होंगे कि आप errors निकाल सकते हो system में. Systems of type higher than 2, as I told you, we don't use practically, even though we can put depending upon s powers, s raised to n, depending on this power we decide type 0 hai, type 1 hai, type 2 hai. We practically don't go for higher than 2 because it is very difficult to stabilize the systems for those type 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on systems. Some of the disadvantages of static error constants, that is Kp, Kv and Ka. इनका disadvantage क्या है? They do not give any information on steady state error when the inputs are other than step ramp and parabolic. You can see हमने यहाँ पे summarize किया है. ये 3 inputs अगर आप test signals input दे रहे हो तो आपको error information मिल रहा है. But if your input is other than these 3, you cannot get much information on that. Error का type क्या होगा? Second disadvantage, they fail to indicate the exact manner in which the error function changes with time. So error का value कौन से particular time पे कितना होगा? Okay, ज़्यादा है, कम है, those things cannot be understood by looking at Kp, Kv and Ka. So that is the second disadvantage of static error constants. Now, as a note, you can see the block diagram which I have taken here, it has yes, but compare this with the steady state error block diagram which we have seen in the previous session. The difference you can see here. Here you have considered h of s is equal 1. So unity feedback system आपने consider किया है, but here I'm considering this. So practically speaking, अगर आप feedback लेते हो तो आपका error signal R divided by 1 plus G into H होगा, but earlier this was not there. Okay, only G of S was there. So your error will also be S into R of S divided by 1 plus G into H, but earlier this was not there. So that's why अगर आप feedback consider कर रहे हो, so instead of G of S, you should take G into H. For example, आप positional error constant के लिए you take this limit of G of S as S tends to 0. But ये किसके लिए है? When you take unity feedback. अगर आप ऐसा सिस्टम कंसिडर कर रहे हो विथ फीडबैक, यू शुड रिप्लेस G by G into H. यहाँ पर जो आप G यूज कर रहे हो, you should change it to G into H. Okay. Similarly, if you go for KV, you can see यहाँ पर इन शॉर्ट मैंने लिखा है. Take this. You have KV here. Again, here you are taking only G of S term. All the three equations has only G of S because you are taking unity feedback system. Block diagram अगर आप देखोगे. But if you consider a feedback, you should change these equations with multiplying G with H. Okay, आपको थोड़ा modify करना होगा equations को. You should consider H also. Hope you understood this. This is about the steady state errors and error constants. We have seen the type of feedback control systems, type 0, type 1, type 2. And for these three different systems, we have calculated what are the errors, ESS, steady state errors due to KP, due to KV, and due to KA. Please have a practice on this. Still, we are left with few problems on these steady state errors. And after these problems, we will go for the introduction of those PID controllers. Okay, so in the next session we will be looking into few problems on this topic, steady state errors.